I know you're probably thinking, about time. Me too. The bar room is nearly finished, guys. It's been hectic, I won't lie. I had to call in help. Now, I'm a massive control freak and I don't really like doing this, but if there's one person I'm going to trust to do anything, it's the guy that built our extension. The help was needed. I had a joint hen and stag do to plan, a wedding abroad and a honeymoon. So my guy Lucas, he built me a bar, but it was giving basic bitch. It wasn't bougie enough. So I bought this DIY paneling kit from Homebase just to save even more time, but when I costed it up, it actually worked out cheaper than buying individual bits of trim. Result. Now I'm happy with how the bars are looking. Let's paint it now. I went well outside my comfort zone with this. Primed it first, and then, yeah, what was I thinking? It was giving my mum's claret bridesmaid dresses from the 90s. I left it a good couple of weeks to see if I could get on board with it, and I just couldn't. It had to go. And as green is my new colour, it'd be rude not to. Oh my God, I love it so much better. Now to make it even more bougie, I'm going to be adding a footrail. I bought the parts to this kit from a couple of different places online. I'll link them in the caption. I know I'm looking a bit more fancy at this point, but it was Father's Day and there's been comments floating around that all I wear is tracksuits lately, so I had to make an effort. Trust me, this footrail was not as easy to put on as it looks. That pole was getting right in my way, but I stuck it out and got it finished. Oh, yep, thank you. Drum roll, please. What do you think, guys? I love it. I think the footrail just finishes it off perfectly.